morning, Panthers, and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Sophia.
And my name is Francie. It's a great day to be a Panther.
Happy Friday, and it's amazing to see everyone that showed up today wearing blue.
Panthers, remember, tonight our varsity football team face Centennial High. Kickoff will be at 7 p.m. tonight. Don't forget to buy your discount football tickets during lunch today for $4. The theme is tonight's game is neon.
Seniors, tomorrow is the day to paint your assigned parking spot. You must have already purchased your parking spot and received your parking pass. If you're still interested, you must pick up and return a permission form to the guidance office today. The cost for painting your senior spot is $20.
Also, seniors, don't forget when painting your spot you must bring your own paint and painting supplies. Some extra advice is to bring plenty of cold water to drink, sunscreen and to wear to hat. Painting is this Saturday from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Panthers, the 2023 homecoming dance is coming up quickly. This year's dance is themed A Night in Wonderland. The dance will be held on Saturday, September 23rd from 6 to 10 p.m. at Heritage. The cost is $25 and tickets will be sold on campus starting next week, September 13th to 22nd.
Juniors and seniors will be able to purchase starting Wednesday, and underclass can start buying homecoming tickets the following week.
We hope you enjoyed the spirit rally this morning, and remember, our behavior at school earned us this privilege. Keep it up, Panthers.
Panthers, we hope to see you at tonight's game wearing neon. The game begins at 7 p.m. Come support your varsity football team.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!